Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell some divisibility rules for the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. The first one is divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the unit digit of the number is any of these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any of these numbers. For example, if you take these numbers 12, 234, 500, 2038, the unit digits are 2 here and this is 4 and here 0 and here 8. So these numbers are divisible by 2. Next one is a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits of that number is divisible by 3. For example, if you take 39, so add these digits, 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So 39 is also divisible by 3. Next one is 432. If you add these digits, 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is equal to 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So 432 is also divisible by 3. Next one is 3002. If you add all these digits, 3 plus 2 plus 2, then that is 7. So 7 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Next one is 777771. This number we have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Add these numbers. So 7s are 5. So 7 into 5, that is 35 plus 1. So you can add like this also, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 like that. But all are 7, so you can multiply 7 into 5, that is 35 plus 1, that is equal to 36. So 36 is divisible by 3, or you can further add these two digits, 3 plus 6, that is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 3. You can stop here or you can add again. So 9 is divisible by 3, so this number is also divisible by 3. Next one. A number is divisible by 4 if you can take the last two digits, and if those digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. For example, if you take 90,312, the last two digits are 1 and 2. So 12 is divisible by 4. So 90,312 is also divisible by 4. Next one is 39945336. This is the number. So last two digits are 3 and 6. So 36 is divisible by 4. So this number, the whole number, is also divisible by 4. Next one is a number is divisible by 5 if the unit digit of the number is 0 or 5. So if you see the examples, here the number is 257890. So here the last digit is 0. So this number is divisible by 5. Here in this number the last digit is 5. So this number is also divisible by 5. Next one, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, if you take 1338, the last digit of this number is 8. So it is divisible by 2. If you add all these digits, you have to check for whether it is divisible by 3 or not. You have to add all the digits. That is 15. 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 8 is equal to 15. That is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3. So this is divisible by 6. Next one is 59,112. So last digit is 2. So this is divisible by 2. And if you add all the digits, then you will get 18. That is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3. So this is divisible by 6. Next one is 712. Last digit is 2. So it is divisible by 2. And if you add all the digits, you will get 10. So that is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6 because it should be divisible by 2 and 3. But here it is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6. Next one is a number is divisible by 7 if the number excluding the unit digit minus 2 into unit digit is divisible by 7. For example, if you take 3171, here unit digit is 1. So you have to multiply this 1 with 2. That is 2. So subtract this 2 from the remaining digits. Those are 317. You will get 315. Again, you have to check whether this number is divisible by 7. You have to take unit digit, that is 5, and multiply this unit digit with 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. So this 10 you have to subtract from the remaining digits. Those are 3 and 1. So 31 minus 10 is equal to 21. So now you can check 21 whether 21 is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 7. So this number 3171 is also divisible by 7. Next one, if you take this number 165102, you have to take the last digit, unit digit, that is 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. Subtract 4 from this number, then you will get 16506. Again take the unit digit 6. 6 into 2, 12. You have to subtract from this number 12 from this number, then you will get 1638. Again take the unit digit here 8. 8 into 2 is 16. Then subtract again, then you will get 147. So 147 is divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. So this is divisible by 7. So this number is also divisible by 7. Next one is, a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits of that number is divisible by 8. For example, 98,864, the last 3 digits are 864. So 864 is divisible by 8 because 8 ones are 8, 1s are 8, 0, 8 8s are 64. So these last 3 digits are divisible by 8. So the whole number 98,864 is also divisible by 8. Next one is 631704. You have to check whether the last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. 704 by 8 is equal to 88. So this number is also divisible by 8. Next one is 88002. You have to take the last 3 digits 002. 002 is not divisible by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. Next one, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of digits of that number is divisible by 9. For example, 4104, you have to add all the digits 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 4, that is equal to 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So 4104 is also divisible by 9. Next one is 5930523. You have to add all the digits, then you will get 27. 27 is divisible by 9. So this number is also divisible by 9. Next one, next example, 789. You have to add all the digits 7 plus 8 plus 9, that is equal to 24. 24 is not divisible by 9. So 789 is also not divisible by 9. Next one, a number is divisible by 10 if the unit digit of that number is 0. For example, 1000, the unit digit is 0, so this is divisible by 10. And next one, here also the unit digit is 0, so it is also divisible by 10. If you see this number, so here the unit digit is not 0, here the unit digit is 1, so this is not divisible by 10. Next one, a number is divisible by 11 if sum of alternative digits from right side minus sum of the remaining digits is equal to 0 or multiple of 11, or that number should be divisible by 11. For example, if you see the examples, you will understand. For example, 50479, this number we have to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. First you have to take the alternative digits from right side. So from here you have to take the alternative digits. Those are 9 plus 4 plus 5. So add these digits minus, next remaining digits are 7 and 0. So minus 7 plus 0, that is 7. So here this sum is 18 minus 7, that is equal to 11. So 11 is divisible by 11, or 11 is a multiple of 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Next example, 1302444. So you have to take the digits from right side. So 4 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 minus the remaining digits here are 4 plus 2 plus 3. So 9, this sum is 9 minus 4 plus 2 plus 3 is also 9. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So here this is 0. So this is divisible by, this number is divisible by 11. Next example, 5019. So take the digits from right side, 9 plus 0 minus 1 plus 5, that is 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is not 0 or multiple of 11. So this is not divisible by 11. Next one, a number is divisible by 13 if the number excluding the unit digit plus 4 into unit digit should be divisible by 13. This is also similar to the divisibility rule of 7. There we take minus 2 into unit digit. Here we are taking plus 4 into unit digit. See the examples, then you will understand. 62,218. This you have to check whether it is divisible by 13 or not. You have to take the unit digit first. So here the unit digit is 8. Then multiply this unit digit with 4. So 8 4s are 32. So the remaining digits are 6221. So 32 you have to add to the remaining digits. So 6221 plus 32 is equal to 6253. Then again take the unit digit here, because we have to check again this number is divisible by 13 or not. So 3 into 4 is 12. So add 12 to the remaining digits. 625 plus 12 is 637. Again you have to check whether this is divisible by 13 or not. So again take the unit digit. 7 into 4 28. Add to the remaining digits, that is 91. So 91 is divisible by 13. So this number is also divisible by 13. Next example is 2795. So first you take the unit digit here 5. 5 into 4, that is 20. So add 20 to the remaining digits. 279 plus 20 is 299. Again check the unit digit into 4, that is 36. So add 36 to the 29, then 65. So 65 is divisible by 13. 13 5s are 65. So 2795 is also divisible by 13. Next one is a number is divisible by 17 if the number excluding the unit digit minus 5 into unit digit is divisible by 17. For example, 7429. Take the unit digit 9 into 5. So subtract minus 45. 9 5s are 45. So subtract 45 from 742. These are the remaining digits. 742 minus 45 is 697. Again check whether this is divisible by 17. So take the unit digit. 7 into 5 35. So 69 minus 35 is 34. So 17 2s are 34. So this is divisible by 17. So 7429 is also divisible by 17. Next example, 16,762. So take the unit digit 2 into 5, that is 10. So subtract 10 from 1676. These are the remaining digits. Then that is 1666. Again you have to check whether this is divisible by 17 or not. So take the unit digit. 6 into 5 30. So 166 minus 30, that is 136. So 17 8s are 136. You can check with the last digit. 7 8s are 56. So you can check like that. So 136 is divisible by 17. So this number is also divisible by 17. Next, a number is divisible by 19 if the number excluding the unit digit plus 2 into unit digit should be divisible by 19. For example, 16,283. Take the unit digit here. Then 3 into 2, 6. So add this 6 to the remaining digit 1628. Then it will become 1634. Then again you have to check whether this number is divisible by 19 or not. Take the unit digit. 4 into 2, that is 8. So 163 plus 8, that is 171. Again you can check whether this is divisible by 19 or not. Otherwise, if you know 99s are 171, you can stop here. Otherwise you can do further. So take the unit digit here. 1 into 2 plus 2. Then 17 plus 2 is 19. So 19 is divisible by 19. So this number is also divisible by 19. A number is divisible by 23 if the number excluding the unit digit plus 7 into unit digit should be divisible by 23. For example, 12,581. So take the unit digit here 1 into 7. Then add this number to the remaining digits 1258. Then 1265, that is 1265. Then again you have to check whether this number is divisible by 23. So take the unit digit 5. 5 into 7 is 35. So add the remaining digits to 35. Then 126 plus 35 is 161. Again you have to check whether this is divisible by 23, or you can stop here if you know the 23 into 7 is 161. So You can check further. 1 is the unit digit, so 1 into 7, then add to this number 1627, then that is 23. So 23 is divisible by 23, so this number is also divisible by 23. Next, divisibility by using factors. For example, is 11,820 is divisible by 12 and 15. So here we have to take the factors of these two numbers. For example, factors of 12 is equal to 3 into 4. So we have to check with these two numbers. 11,820 we have to check with 3. So we know that for 3 we have to add all the digits. So 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 0, that is equal to 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So this number is also divisible by 3. Next, check for 4. So we have to take the last two digits. So that is 20. 20 is divisible by 4. So this number is also divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 3 and 4. So these two are factors of 12. So this number is also divisible by 12. Next, take factors of 15, that is equal to 3 into 5. So check this number whether this number is divisible by these two numbers, these two factors. For 3 we have already checked here, so this is divisible by 3 and last digit is 0, so this is divisible by 5. So this number is divisible by 3 and 5, so this number is 11,820 is divisible by 15. Now you can check whether this number is divisible by 45 or not. Now for all the divisibility rules you can go through with this table. Here divisible by 2, 5, 10. The last digit should be here. For 2, 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. For 5, the last digit should be 0 or 5. For 10, that is 0. And divisible by 3, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. And for 9, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. And divisible by 4, the last two digits should be divisible by 4. And for 8, the last three digits should be divisible by 8. And divisible by 7, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29, we have to take the number excluding the unit digit minus. For 7, that is minus 2 into unit digit, that should be divisible by 7. And for 13, the same number excluding the unit digit plus 4 into unit digit, that number should be divisible by 13. Similarly, for 17, minus 5 into unit digit, and for 19, plus 2 into unit digit. And for 23 it is plus 7 into unit digit, and for 29 it is plus 3 into unit digit. And for divisible by 6, it should be divisible by, the number should be divisible by 2 and 3 both. And for divisible by 11, take the sum of alternative digits from right side minus sum of the remaining digits should be 0 or multiple of 11. And divisible by 12, 24, 65, like these numbers, we have to take the factors of these numbers. For example, 12, 3 into 4, you have to check that number with the factors with 3 and 4. If it is divisible by both the factors, then it is divisible by 12. Similarly, you can do for 24, 6 into 4, and 65, 5 into 13, like this. Now please do this practice worksheet.